Hello student, welcome to my class. Today we will learn ocean circulation. Unlike the calm waters of ponds and lakes, ocean keeps moving continuously. It is never still. Okay? When we see the water of any lake or ponds, the water is always still. But the water of ocean and sea, they are never still. They keeps moving continuously. Okay? The movements that occurred in oceans can be broadly categorized as waves, tides and currents. First we will see the waves. The water on the surface of the ocean rises and falls. Alternatively, they are called waves. So what is the waves? The water on the surface of the ocean that rises and falls alternatively. They are called waves. During a storm, the winds blowing at very high speed that form huge waves. And an earthquake, a volcanic eruption or underwater landslides can shift large amount of ocean water. As a result, a huge tidal wave called tsunami is occurred. So because of the earthquake, a volcanic eruption or the underwater landslides, because of these things, the tsunami is occurred. Next we will see the tides. The rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice in a day is called a tide. What is the tide? Tide is the rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice in a day. Okay, this is divided into two categories. They are high tide or spring tide, low tide or neap tide. High tide or spring tide, it is occurred on full moon and new moon day because on these days the sun, the moon and the earth are in a same line and that cause the high tide or the spring tide. Next is the neap tide. When the moon is in its first and last quarter, the low tides or neap tides are occurred. Next we will see the ocean currents. These are streams of water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in a definite directions. Okay, what is the ocean currents? These are streams of water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in a definite direction, and ocean currents are again divided into two categories. They are warm ocean currents and cold ocean currents. Warm ocean currents, it originate near the equator and moves towards the poles. As we know that equator is the hottest place because equator receives the vertical sun rays. So the ocean currents which are originated from equator, definitely they will be the warm ocean currents, and the warm ocean currents moves towards the poles. Next we will see the cold ocean currents. It carries water from polar or higher latitudes to tropical or lower latitudes. Polar region, as we know, it is the extremely cold region. So the ocean currents which carries water from polar, definitely it will be the cold one. And the cold ocean currents that moves towards the or carries water to the lower latitudes. Now students, we have some homework to do. First one is what is waves? Second is what are ocean currents? Third is what are tides and how are they caused? Fourth is write the different types of ocean currents. So student, I hope you understood this topic clearly and you will be able to write the question answer easily. So in next video, I will bring a new topic for you. Till then, you stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.